This lesson is for Windows users only. For Windows, we need to decide which terminal we want to use. The best and first option is PowerShell. It's already built in, just search for it, run PowerShell, and if you need elevated permissions, run as administrator. The second, command prompt. Not recommended because it's lacking a lot of commands that we need in order to do development on voice apps. The final option, cmdir, is an open source portable console emulator for Windows. You can find the code on GitHub, so it's all open source. You can modify the code, repackage it if you'd like. But at the end of the day, it's a great console emulator, and it's what I used while I was working on Windows. PowerShell is by far the easiest and best option. cmdir, close second. Please don't ever use command prompt if you can avoid it. Let's head back over to our command prompt, and now let's get our projects directory set up. We'll clear all the console, and then we'll ls just to see where we're at and get our bearings. Let's change directory into our documents folder, and once inside of there, we will create a new directory with make directory, mkdir, followed by the word projects, which is the name of our new directory. We can see the projects folder was created, so change directory into it using cd projects. Running ls shows that there are no folders inside of projects folder right now, so let's run mkdir ultimate-voice-dev, and that'll create our new folder. We'll cd inside of that before finally checking to see if we have all of our libraries installed. Node-v reveals node's not installed, npm-v reveals node package manager is not installed, and jovo-v reveals that jovo is not installed. Next, let's get those set up.